guys, it's Jessica and welcome back to my video. Today I am showing you guys how to do this super easy and natural summer makeup tutorial with some bronzer to make us look a little bit more tan than we already are. Well, then we're already not because I'm pale as hell. Good for literally every day. First, we are just going to start with a little bit of foundation. You actually don't even need the foundation if you don't have any acne or anything. And I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me Matte Plus Poreless foundation, and I'm using a wet Real Technique sponge, and I'm just gonna kind of try to even out my skin tone just a little bit. Like, this is gonna be very sheer and natural. Next, I'm just putting on a little bit of concealer underneath of my eyes just to kind of hide my dark circles a little bit. And you can put this on any blemishes that you might have. And see, it just kind of, it looks like my skin, but better and just smoother and more evened out. During the summertime, who wants to wear a ton of foundation because you're gonna get sweaty and oily? Nobody got time for that shit. Next, I am going to go ahead and go in with blush. A cream blush. Cream blushes are very natural and dewy looking, and that is perfect for a natural summertime look and glow. I'm gonna add a little bit of this to the apples of my cheeks. This blush is a Maybelline Master Glaze. It's just a cream blush. You can use a beauty blender to just kind of blend it out, or you can use your fingers. I just think that kind of gives like a nice little pretty pink glow. Since this is a summertime look, we want to have a little bit of bronzing action, so we gotta pretend that we go outside. So I'm just using a little bit of the Too Faced Cocoa Contour palette. I like to use this shade here. This one over here is a little bit too orange for me. My contour brush broke. I'm using this little nub. I'm gonna kind of I'm going to barely and very lightly just kind of bronze up and contour a little bit, bring it up. Then I'm gonna drag that around my forehead and the temple. A natural summer tan, the sun hits you on the highest points of your face, so that's where you would be tan. So you kind of want to just put some bronzer on some of the highest points of your face. I'm actually going to put it on my nose. My nose always gets really tan or burnt during the summer, and I just think it's kind of cute. I'm gonna put a little bit on my chin, and I'm gonna add a little bit more bronzer to the what are these called? Little sockets of my eye. It just kind of warms your face up a little bit. Again, you can make this as dark or as light as you want. I'm super pale, so I'm trying not to like overdo it. Camera lighting settings were a little bit too bright, so it didn't look like I put any makeup on. But next, we are going to just do a very subtle, soft eye look that looks very natural and looks like you're not even really wearing any makeup. So I'm just kind of taking this brownish shade right here, and I'm just gonna put in my crease. And I'm kind of dragging that a little bit underneath my eyes. I'm just going to do my eyebrows real quick. This is preferential. Even when I don't wear very much makeup, I always do my eyebrows because I barely have any. I'm just using the Anastasia Brow Wiz. And then next, I'm going to use just a simple black eyeliner. I'm just gonna line my upper waterline with it, just right in between the eyelashes. And this just kind of makes your eyelashes look kind of naturally a little bit more thicker and darker. Next, I'm just gonna go ahead and add a little bit of a shimmer to my eyelids. I kind of during the summertime want to look really dewy and fresh, and so I'm just gonna kind of take from the Tarte Make Believe in Yourself palette, and this is the color Magic. I'm just gonna kind of put a little bit of that on my eyelid. If you've been on this channel for a while, you know that I put my mascara in my bra because it heats it up and gets it warm and makes it go on a lot better. And I'm using the Volume Express mascara. It is my favorite. My dog is like flipping shit downstairs because it hears people outside. And then next we're gonna highlight, and I'm just using this white color in here. I don't know what it's called, but it's in the Tarte Make Believe in Yourself palette. I'm just gonna kind of put it a little bit on my lid, a little bit up here, and then I just like to put a little tip on my nose, and then highlight the inner corners of my eyes just to kind of brighten them up a little bit. And then now for lips, I'm just going to go very natural with it and just use a nude lip liner, and this is a NYX lip liner in the color Sugar Glass. My family's so loud. And that is it for this super fast, super natural, easy summer makeup tutorial. I only used a few products, but I hope you guys enjoyed that video. And if you did, beat the hell out of that subscribe button. I really appreciate it. And I hope to see you guys in my next video.